In a major development in the Pitabas Panda murder case, as many as 209 lawyers have filed a petition against former MLA and BJD leader Bikram Panda in the Berhampur SDJM court on Friday. Earlier, over 40 lawyers had filed wakalatnamas in support of Bikram Panda. Just a day before, Bikram's legal team had also submitted a petition claiming he had no involvement in the murder of Pitabas Panda. The latest filing by the 209 lawyers marks a significant turning point in the case as the legal fraternity appears divided over Bikram Panda's alleged role in the incident. Meanwhile, Berhampur Superintendent of Police, Saravana Vivek M, has submitted a written reply to the Odisha High Court regarding the murder investigation. Earlier, the High Court had expressed strong displeasure over the SP's public comments on an election-related case, questioning whether his remarks amounted to contempt of court. In his response, the SP has explained his position and the High Court has now directed him to file an affidavit by November 10, the date scheduled for the next hearing. The controversy began after the SP, while addressing the media, mentioned that following the 2024 general elections, one Pintu Das had filed an election petition against Berhampur MLA K. Anil Kumar. According to the SP's statement, if the election had been declared invalid, a by-election would have taken place and Bikram Panda was expected to be a contender. The SP also claimed that Bikram Panda had financially supported Pintu Das in filing the petition through Manoj Panda and that there was a common link between Bikram Panda and Siba Shankar Das in the process. These remarks led the High Court to take serious note, demanding a written explanation from the SP for making such statements publicly.